Hello. Today in this video I will show you how to download and install VLC Media Player. So let's begin. First you open Chrome and type VLC Media Player download and search. Then go to the official VLC Media Player website.
Yeah, boy.
You will see all the OS system. It is automatically recommended to download the OS version, so I am using Windows 10, so I will download the Windows version, then click the Download VLC button. And you can see it downloading. Wait for the download to finish. I speed up the download process. Then go to Download folder. Then double-click on it. And give yes as it asks for admin permission. And follow my steps.
It's time to stop! It's time to stop, okay? No more!
You will see that it works perfectly. I will show you the secrets of VLC Media Player in another video, so stay tuned. I hope you understand the process. Thanks for watching.